Bill.
Rise from the dead, you must. After that season, you can do thousands of things that you foresee. I tell you now, get up and see your
The time has come for me to say Bumbaran. Wow. Give me my shoe.
Go Irish! Kuno, kalakas-lakas ng boses.
Oh, my Magaw comes down from heaven, and others the waters dwelling in the clouds. If you forbid the sun, it does not rise. So powerful spirit boss, I summon you to help me now and do what I demand.
Ay! Tira!
Surrender now, Bantugan. Don't wait for you to suffer. Your time has come. But you never defeat Bumbaran. No, I'm not.
No, no.
Ano nangyari kay Elijah?
Elay, nagpatalo. Doon! Di bakit?
Crocodile. Nalang tayong dila.
Ano ba yan? Wala, tinali na talaga si Irish eh.
My dear fairy, stay in the state. I have to have Bumbaran for it's in great danger. My sword.
Whoa. Use this card. Escape from the tree. Through this card, I will give you to save Bumbaran, my two husbands.
Wow! Nakakatakot na yun.
What's that pintuan? Sko naman.
Ala!
Lo, talaga sa gitna dumaan eh.
Tama. Wow! Ang ganda mo!
Iniwan. Walang hiya. Napaka-walang hiya naman.
Pinakaw yung bangka.
Wow!
Mga babae! Sinasabi ng babae!
Wait lang ko yung pala ko.
Mamaya may nagkamali dyan, hindi nyo na narinig, Diyos ko.
Nakaya naman.
Sinabi na ba sa'yo? Sila Rachel? Sila? Di, bakit nakaluhod na ay?
I, Bantugan na Prince, surrender myself before you depart. I will honor the laws, peace, and rules.
Wow, bantugan. Cheers! Cheers! Ayan na! Kiss!